Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news
IPL
for you.
2021 Everyone Trust Mahendra Singh Dhoni Pradeep Patil Lords CSK captain after table topping win versus RCB. Former India wicketkeeper batsman Pradeep Patil was all praise for MS Dhoni after Chennai Super Kings outclassed Royal Challengers Bangalore by 5 wickets in Sharjah in the crunch IPL 2021 encounter. Patel said Dhoni continues to be a master tactician in the shortest format of the game, shedding light on MS Dhoni's success as captain in IPL. Pradeep Patil said the former Indian captain was earned the trust of his player and it becomes easier to plan and execute tactics in the middle. However, the victory for CSK was set up by their bowlers. RCB got off to a flying start in Sharjah as debut. Padikkal and Virat Kohli sent balls flying into the stands in a triple one run opening stand. However, RCB imploded in the last 10 overs, managing just 66 runs and losing 6 wickets. Dwane Brevo and Sardul Thakur played crucial roles in the helping CSK pull things back in the second half of RCB innings. Brevo got the big wicket of Virat Kohli in the 14th over, triggering RCB's explosion. The West Indies all-rounder finished with figures of 3 by 24 to emerge as the player of the match. China's provocative behavior and unilateral attempts to alter status quo led to Galwan Valley incident. India on Friday said China's provocative behavior and unilateral attempts to alter the status quo in eastern Ladakh in serious disturbance of peace and tranquility in the mountains region resulted in the Galwan Valley clashes. The statement was issued by the External Affairs Ministry in response to Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson's comment that Galwan Valley incident took place because India violated all the treaties and agreements and encroachment upon China's territory. We reject such statements. Our position with regard to develops last year along the LAC in eastern Ladakh has been clear and consistent. It was the provocative behavior and unilateral attempts of the Chinese to side to alter status quo in the contravention of all our bilateral agreements that resulted in serious disturbance of peace and tranquility. This has also impacted the bilateral relations, the Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson Arvind Bakshi said in a statement. 20 Indian soldiers laid down their lives in deadly clashes with the Chinese troops in Galwan Valley on June 15 last year that marked the most serious military conflict between the two sides in decades. The border standoff between the India and Chinese armies erupted on May 5 last year following a violent clash in the Pangong Lake area and both sides gradually enhanced. In February, the two sides completed the withdrawal of troops and weapons from the north and south banks of the Pangong Lake in the line with an agreement and disengagement. US press goes off script. Jokes and laughter add fun element to Modi-Biden meet in US. As Prime Minister Narendra Modi meet US President Joe Biden in the Washington on Friday for their first ever bilateral meetings, jokes and laughter got better of the two world leaders. According to sources, the US President cracked jokes about the presence of 5 Bidens in India. To this, PM Modi, who is on a 3-day US tour, replied that he was carrying some genealogy papers along for the US President to look at. Meanwhile, PM Modi said that the Biden bilateral meeting with President Biden presented them the opportunity to discuss all the issues relating to the COVID-19 pandemic, climate change, and Quad in detail. Ahead of the bilateral meeting, President Joe Biden had tweeted, "This morning I am hosting Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the White House for the bilateral meeting. Meanwhile, after arriving in Washington on Thursday, PM Modi had held back-to-back individual meetings with CEOs of the five major global companies. He had then met US Vice President Kamala Harris on the first day of his US trip.
Audio Jungle.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.